Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add vignette effect on Snapseed apps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapseed apps and click anywhere for add the photo that you want to edit. This one, click add. And then in here, if you want to add vignette effect, so you just click on the tools at the bottom. Click on it. And in here you can see a vignette effect, so just click on it. And then now you can set the effects. Now you can set the center vignette that you want. Maybe in here, in here, in here, in here, on in here. And then you can adjust the vignette, so you just click on this one. Click on it. And you can adjust for the vignette like this. If you want a black like this, if you want a white like this, just swipe left or right, this one, and then you can scroll down and set the inner brightness like this, and finish. After this, you can click check icon at the bottom. This is the before and this is the after. And that's how to add vignette effect on Snapseed apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.